In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Slack messages that keep showing as unread. Start by opening the Slack desktop app and signing in to your account. Once Slack is open, look at the far left column, where your workspace icons are listed. Click the workspace that is showing an unread problem, so that this workspace becomes the active one on screen. Move your mouse over the main Slack window to make sure Slack has keyboard focus. You should be able to see the sidebar on the left and the message pane in the main area. Look at the sidebar in the top left workspace area. If the issue is happening, you should see some channel names in bold, and you may also see a red unread badge count on the workspace icon. Now use Slack's Mark All Read shortcut. On your keyboard, press Shift plus Escape. After pressing the shortcut, watch the sidebar closely. The unread channel name should change from bold text back to normal text, and the red badge on the workspace icon should disappear. If the unread indicators come back again after a few seconds, keep going because the problem is likely connected to Slack's cache. Next, clear the cache and restart Slack. In the Slack desktop app, go to the top left corner of the window and click the hamburger icon, which is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. A drop-down menu will open. In that drop-down, move your mouse over Help. If you are using a Mac, use the Help menu in the System menu bar at the very top of the screen instead. When the Help submenu opens, move your mouse over Troubleshooting. A second submenu will appear. In that Troubleshooting submenu, click Clear Cache and Restart. Slack will close itself and then relaunch automatically. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds while the app opens again and resyncs your workspaces. When Slack comes back up, look at the sidebar again and check whether the stuck unread badges are gone. If the unread problem is still not fixed, sign out and then sign back in. In the Slack desktop app, click your profile picture in the top right corner of the window. A drop-down menu will open. Near the bottom of that menu, click the Sign Out option. The wording will say, Sign out of your workspace name. After you sign out, Slack will switch to the Sign In screen. Click Sign In to Slack. When the email field appears, enter your email address carefully. Then click Sign In with email. Now open your email inbox and find the 6-digit confirmation code from Slack. Return to Slack and type that code into the code field. If the email gives you a magic link button instead, you can click that button to continue the sign-in process. Slack will load your workspace again and perform a full resync. Wait until the workspace finishes loading completely, then check the sidebar. The unread states for channels and direct messages should now match the true server state. After running these fixes, the sidebar should show accurate unread indicators. Channels that you have already read should appear in normal text, not bold text. The red badge count on the workspace icon should match only what is genuinely unread. When you open a channel or direct message, Slack should mark it as read and it should stay that way. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Congratulations! You have fixed Slack messages that keep showing as unread.